Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is about to be the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. And we're back for yet another Advent of Code stream. How we all doing? Let's see, Valakadarius first day. Marsha is here. How you doing, Marsha? JJMC, good to see you. Hello, hello. Dexter Jake's also here. Marsha says, "Oh yes, bad timing. Time to get into the bed and get Max comf and watch bicycle anime with my friendy friend." Oh. Sounds fun. Have fun being cutie nerds. Anthon can chat. Well, thank you for stopping by, Marsha. Good to see you. Ravel Scouter. Hello, hello. How you doing? Hard to find one says, "Hey, sir. I already wrote this in the Discord. Could you please suggest an intermediate Python bash book for any resources?" Merry Xmas. Well, unfortunately, I can't recommend any books because I don't know how to read. So, you're gonna unfortunately be on your own for that one. Yeah, I don't know how to read, so sorry about that. Yes. Okay, so earlier today we were working on Predicament CI. I did not do the thing I said I was going to do. Oh, did that actually decrease the number of lines of code? It did. Wow. I'm surprised because we made it way more complicated and added a bunch of tests. How did the number of lines of code go down? I guess this was 80 lines and its test was probably a bunch. Test was 100 lines. The test is about the same, so I guess it... Huh, interesting. Interesting. Oh well. Anyway, I haven't tried this out yet, so I don't know. But let me get set up for Advent of Code, and then we can get going. Some Canadian came out in that story there. Yeah. Just a wee bit, you know. Tad bit of Canadian going on in the Great White fucking North there. Okay, I got that set up. We need to AOC 2022. Day 0 to day 24. Ah, we're almost there. 2 days left. Indeed, Eric. We are almost there. I am clenching for today's puzzle though. Because it's the 24th and it's a Saturday. Dr. Jake says, "I already ate some leftovers for my pasta dinner and I want more. Fuck, self-control bad." Yeah, so remember when I bought pizza on stream the other day? And I was like, oh, I'm doing the responsible thing and putting the other half of the pizza in a Tupperware in the fridge so that I don't eat it all in one sitting. What do you think the first thing I did after I ended stream was? I went and ate the other half of the fucking pizza. So that ended up well. Oops, I want to do part 2 first, and then part 1, and then this. So yeah, that was not my proudest moment, but Hard to Find One says, "Almost 8 a.m. here, won't be able to stay." Did you stay up till 8 a.m.? What are you doing? I love the Christmas hype, even if it means nothing to me. I mean, Christmas doesn't really mean anything to me either, to be honest. My family has all decided that we don't exchange presents anymore, and I basically only my only Christmas cheer is doing Advent of Code. So I should not play with a knife. Bad idea. But yeah. So I don't really do any Christmassy things anyway. So I am supposed to, I don't know, get together with family for dinner and such, but we'll see what happens with that because the weather is still a mess, a big mess. I'm actually going to, oops, deploy dev, please. I don't want to necessarily merge this yet because I don't know that it's right, but you're canceling Christmas, you communist. Right? But yeah, we're gonna get some more snow overnight. I didn't bother shoveling today because I was like, well, it's just gonna snow some more, and I might not even bother either because it's supposed to fucking rain rain next week. So like, shmeep shmop. 4 a.m. East EST Saturday. Well, but it's supposed to snow on Sunday, too. Why does that change? Is the wind less? No, not much. Wind's been nuts, though. Anyway, scattered snow showers. Yeah. We've got 65-mile-an-hour winds and drifts and driving bans here. Damn. Now you got it way harder than what we've got here. That's pretty nuts. It's windy during the day, but seems to have calmed down now. It's still pretty windy here. I can hear all of my siding rattling, which I think I talked about this on a previous stream, but I had never lived in a house that was not brick before, and so I didn't realize that vinyl siding rattles when it's windy. So that's been new, I guess. I don't really like it, but what am I gonna do? I guess I could wait. Has the lava flowed more? Am I imagining this? I feel like the lava only went up to here before. Oh, I guess that's why these are gray. So when we fill these out, the lava will flow further. Oh, interesting. So that'll be neat. I always look forward to the ASCII arts in these. What the fuck is this, though? What are you? I don't see any cubes here. God, the cube. Okay, I think this should start deploying. I should make this so that it reacts within a thing, so when it starts. That way I don't have to check GitHub Actions and I can just be like, oh yeah, it's on its way. It'd be pretty easy to do. But not easy enough to do in 7 minutes. Well, I could probably do it in 7 minutes. Should I do it in 7 minutes? Probably not. Would I be able to do it and test it in 7 minutes? Absolutely not. Could I get it done in 7 minutes? It's probably not that hard. But we're not going to do that. Yeah. So, what kind of puzzle were we expecting today? We got almost a game of life problem yesterday. So we get a dodecahedron puzzle. We don't get a dodecahedron puzzle. Yeah, there's been a few of those. There's the one in 2019, which 2018, which I never actually solved. I think my only solution to that was in Z3, because I wrote all the code to do collision detection and intersection and projections into the dimensions, and I thought I had it all working, but no, Z3 was the easiest way. Minimize the distances between things and call it good enough. But yeah, it was a fun problem to think about, at least. A fun problem to write out the code that didn't work. Maybe if I went back, I could get it working again. Kind of doubt it, though. I feel like I'd rather spend time getting my SQLite solutions working. What is Z3 exactly? You can watch my video about Z3. Magic, yes. Which is what the title of my video is, and it's not far off. It is not far off from magic. It feels not far off from magic. Kind of the TLDR of Z3 is you describe a system, or you describe a problem, and it solves it for you. Batman Leftball says we need to normalize the 9 to 5 work grind in our generation. What do you mean, Batman Leftball? What does that mean? Are you saying that people are doing too many hours or too few hours? Or weird hours? Because I work whatever the fuck hours I want, whenever the fuck I want, and I don't want to change that. Time enjoyed. Hello. It is the second stream of the day. Technically, it's the third stream in 24 hours. If we're including yesterday's AOC stream. But yeah, we are indeed doing another stream today. My stream hours for this month are nuts. I think by the end of the month, I will have done over 100 hours of streaming, which is not the most I've done in a month. the like month or two after I got laid off from Lyft, I'm pretty sure I averaged like 120 hours of streaming. 4 stream if you include your internet dying? Yeah. Ah. No, was that yesterday? Was that yesterday? Or was that today? I want to say that was yesterday, though. Look, I don't know. I have no idea. It all blurs together. That was today? Well, I'm not gonna... I'll take your word for it. I'm not gonna scrub the VOD to try and find it, because, it's whatever. Gus Round is also here. Clinge, how you doing? Last day, let's go! No, we got one more. We got one more. This is the penultimate day. We got one more after this, Walker Codes. Unless you don't want to do day 25, and then by all means, I'll take the points. Tell your friends. Last day, cry until 2 a.m.? Are you not going to do that tomorrow? You should do day 25, it's cool. Ooh. Ooh. I'm hoping I can get points on day 25. I got points on it last year. I got more points on part 2 than on part 1, which told me that I scripted a bit better than everyone else did. But yeah. It's waiting for instances to warm up before continuing. Okay, well, I don't think that one's gonna get done by this. First time I've seen the nice ASCII visual. Have to learn how the story ends via your stream. I think you could get them done, Time Enjoyed. I think you can get them done. I believe in you. Some of them are a little bit of work, but I think you can figure it out. The next says, I feel a high pointer tonight. What does that mean? Like you wrote some C while blazed out of your mind, or like what is a high pointer? Oh, that I'm gonna do well? I see. Not just like, oh, it's dead beef. Oh, quite the pointer. Quick, everyone distract him? Nah, we're good. I'm watching this clock. I can't write C sober, never mind high. I thought you were gonna say I can't write C sober because I need to be drunk to do something that poor. Sazga, hello. Aerobots is also muting, sounds good. Place to go over here? Yeah. I mean, I don't know that anyone can write good C, so. Coding with stones is very difficult, says Turning Eye. Indeed. THTH, hello. Could use some of my almost 60k points for distraction. How do you have so many points? God damn. That's a lot. Oh, coding when stoned is very difficult. I see. Okay. I was gonna say. That doesn't make too much sense. But anyway, good luck to everyone who's solving. As usual, I'll be ignoring chat during the solve, and I will check back in with you after it all concludes. But see you on the other side, and good luck to everyone who is solving today. We have a maze. We have a maze, maybe? Walls, everything else is ground. Otherwise there's no blizzard. Blizzards are drawn with arrows. Each moment, each blizzard moves one position in the direction it's pointing. Conservation of blizzard energy. As it reaches the wall, a new blizzard forms on the opposite side, moving in the same direction. When they occupy the same position... Okay. Blah, blah, blah. I think this is probably the one that's going to have the number at the bottom. Let's copy that one. Expedition begins in the only non-wall position in the top row. Okay, and you need to reach the non-wall in the bottom row. Okay. You can move or wait. You and the blizzards act simultaneously. You cannot share a position with a blizzard. Oh my god. Okay. So it's figure out the fastest way to get there. Fewest number of minutes required to avoid blizzards and reach the goal. Can we move diagonally? You can move up, down, left, right, or you can wait. Oh boy. Okay, so this is just kind of a pathing problem. Holy shit, this is a big boy. So we're obviously going to prioritize moving down and to the left, but oh boy. Okay. And this is going to be a lot of state to represent. Oh, am I going to actually have to figure out A star? Okay. For line in for Y, line in S dot split lines. For XC in enumerate line. I forgot to enumerate this one. Let's at least parse and figure out what things are doing. I think we're going to represent our blizzards. We can represent them as a direction. Oh, and we can probably kill the left and right walls. Yeah, that way we can wrap around. This is very tricky. This is very tricky. Yeah, I think I'm gonna ignore the first and last position. 1 to -1. We could just treat those as walls. Well, maybe we keep them in. That's how we wrap. Oh, but we need the bottom and top too. Wait, what happens if things escape out of the holes? Can they escape out of the holes? I guess probably not, because these are all left and rights here. And the ends are probably all left and rights also. Oh wait, that one wasn't up. No, these are all left and rights. Okay. So I think that actually simulating this is probably not the way. We probably need like a sieving thing. But I also don't quite know how to represent that. Like I think these patterns are actually bit masks. Yeah, like you can represent each direction and okay, yeah, I'm gonna represent them as bit masks because then it's not actually a big space, and it's just rotating those. That's not so bad. Yeah, and then it's just, oh yeah, that's really smart, Anthony. You're really good at this. I think I'm gonna parse everything out anyway, and then build the stuff from that. Chords equals Wiktionary. Chords y. Chords x y equals c, and then we want to find the bounds. And we want to find our start equals x for x in y in chords if y is equal to 0 and chords and c is equal to dot. And the x is equal to x4, xy, c in chords.items. If y is equal to by dot max and c equals dot. That gets us our start and end. And then we need 4 different bit masks for each dimension. Maybe. So I don't actually think this is useful anymore. S split lines. Maybe it is for the columns. X4. Okay, so let's do left facing columns. Dude, this is gonna be so hard to do. Left columns equals, well, let's do verticals first. That's easy. Up rows equals what am I gonna do? Regular expression. Int line is that how you can do that? Got a comma. Yeah, that is how you can do that. The tricky part is we actually want to kill the left and right walls too, and the top and the bottom, I think. So we're actually going to start with a position out of bounds, and we're going to end with a position out of bounds. So we're going to do lines equals. So our actual goal position is the position directly above the end and not the end. We're going to see start y is -1 and end y is equal to len lines -3. -1 for the top, -1 for the bottom, and then up 1. Then we need left calls equals, and this is the tricky part. Because, need to rotate, kind of. Probably do with a funny slice, but I don't quite know how to do that funny slice. Maybe we can. Let's see. Do small input. See if we can get our funny slice right. The length is 8. So if we do S1::8, colon 9, I think actually. Dot right, left. Octothorpe. Yep, okay. So then this will get the next one. Yeah, okay, that'll work. Oh, but after we have stripped the lines, and then we can do new S 0:6. Gets us our same string. Yes. Okay, cool. New S equals empty string that join lines. Not left. 0 US I::len. Think so? T Laco Colado, hello. What are the funny strings for? Advent of God. I'm doing cursed range len. Why are there so many parentheses? This must be wrong. Yeah, we need a parenthesis. Oh, we need comma 2. That parenthesis is wrong. This should be right. Okay, and this should give us bit masks. And we can... I don't know, the bit mask actually help that much. Advent of COD, indeed. Okay. So naturally, I would want to represent the current state as these, and then just breadth first, I guess. And I feel like a lot of the states are going to get pruned. So maybe that's fine. And I just spilled water all over myself. I feel like there's so many states, though. I'm hoping that almost all of them get pruned. And that it just produces an answer. I'm thinking that this sieves out pretty well. Is there a nice way to rotate a list? while copying it, other than just building a new one. I guess we can just do these tuples. Then our state becomes this. Did someone say rotate? Yeah. Right? Okay, then I don't think everything needs to be bonked for that. It's not quite like the stuff we were dealing with a couple days ago. What is the E? The expedition, I see. This is gonna make memory go burr. Rotated list, how is that not a deck? A deck rotates in place. I need to make a copy that's rotated. Which I guess I could copy and rotate. T Lago Colado, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ugh. I think I'm just gonna Dijkstra's. I don't know. Seems easy enough to do. Start X, start Y, start X. I'm gonna be typing these a lot. Let's do that. Up, down, left, right. Everything moves simultaneously. So you can move. The initial state you move down. Okay, so you're really moving into what the next state would be. So I think I can just invariantly do the movement. And eliminate the state if it's invalid. After. That'll simplify the code rather than trying to figure it out up front. Advent of breadth first search continues? Yeah. Well, I think I'm going to use Dijkstra's for this one rather than breadth first search. Not that it super matters. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. I guess I'll just do breadth research. Fine. Collections, dump deck. Wild to do. What? Oh. XY equals XY up, down, left, right equals to do.pop. So this is going to be representing it at the current state. So we need to figure out if this is an invalid state. First, we can just say if we've already seen the state, Goodbye. Up, down, left, east. Yeah. Yep. Up, down, left, east. Okay, we can figure out if a position is occupied by looking at each of these. Actually, we can, or the up downs based on the y. So if up y actually, if we know if y is -1, this is okay. Let's say if y does not equal -1, and up y or up or down y, and it with 1 left shifted by x. Oh, it's not left shifted by x. It's width minus x minus 1. Because the maximum x value is going to be the width minus 1. So at that point, we want to left shift the 1 by 0. Yeah. Okay, so this is the case where it has intersected, so we can continue. And then we have to do the same thing for y. Elif left x, right x, yeah, because this is column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is ended with, I probably need to parenthesize these. Oh, and the y is actually going in the right direction here. Oh, but we're gonna left shift to go further down. Wait. Up, down, left, west? Are you already done, Larry? God damn. That seems reasonable, I guess. That's Larry? Yeah. Yeah. Larry is very good at these. Okay, so weight is going to be to-do.append the same position, and then up. How does up move? Up, we are going to move the top row to the bottom. Right? So we would move this one down to here. This is a 0 end, so we're going to have top 1 colon and top 0, or up 1 colon. These need to be splat. Though, actually, I think this is going to be faster. So on the down ones, it's going to be down -1 plus down to -1. How do the left ones work? So this is left 0. We want left 1 colon plus left 0. Then right -1 plus right to -1. Oh, we need to figure out if it's done. Oh, we also need the depth. I don't know how we would ever visit the same state though, so I don't know if my scene set actually helps me here. Which is why maybe I should be looking at this with our buddy Dijkstra's. Depth +1. And then we want to do our adjacent. These parentheses do nothing. Well, they do something because if I put this here now, it'll work. Oh right, we need to do our finishing state. Elif. Big Lagans, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Target X. Oh, but this is off by 1. This is off by 1 because we slice off the lines. So this needs to be starts x plus equals 1. Target X plus equals 1. Snipsy! Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Been a bit. Hopefully you're doing well. Pyling says good old Dijkstra gets an A star from me. Elite dreams are made of these? Oh, you got points today, GG. Nice, nice. There's no fucking way I'm getting points today. There's no way this garbage works, right? Well, if x equals target x and y equals target y, return depth +1. Because we actually have to make one more move. Array is not implemented error. Alright, let's see. Should run linter first. Indeed. That's gonna fuck up the white space in the rest of the file. It's nothing. Those aren't supposed to have commas. Collections is not defined. Oh, and I'm supposed to do pop left. Oh god, even the small input is going burr. Okay, so one problem is if we wait for more than n turns, there's no reason to continue waiting. So we can always mod our state to prevent it from going excessive. That'll prune our start states. Are they always the same width and height? I think they would only work if they're the same width and height. So that's gonna be 100. Oh, they're not the same width and height. Shit. It's going burr here in a blizzard? Yeah. Is this the year I learn A star? So what can we mod by in depth to say that we've already seen it? I think there's a recurrence. We will get back to the same state after some number of things. I think it's just a very large number though. I think it's width times height. You don't need to explain now, but I'd love to hear how your bit masking thing works. So, I basically visualize each row as two numbers. So in this row, this is the only one. No, this is all zeros. This is one of the down has a 1 in this slot, and this one the up has 1s in these these 3 slots. And then I just have to rotate the numbers. Yeah, that's in theory how it works. I don't know that it's actually correct though. Let's actually make sure that we're correct here. I didn't actually look at it. PP bin I for I and up. Actually I want 0. What is width? 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, I had it open. So ones, all zeros. Yeah, that looks good. Downs. Looks good as well. Lefts. Oh, but it should be height, which is only 4. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0. All zeros. 0, 0, 1, 0. All zeros. 0, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, okay. My dude sees life in binary. He is a bot. Yeah. Reminds me of sea cucumbers. No, that one was easy though. Hey, what's up, Pythonipie? Hello, hello. I don't know that this binary shit actually helps me. Because then it gets super confusing down here where I have to do this weird subtraction stuff. I think I'm actually... I think if I reverse the strings, then I don't have to do this. Oh. This is a problem also. That's at least a bug. That actually could make it run forever. Because it would never... It would just eliminate the start state. The problem is the sample input has a lot of legal moves. Yes, even here we have to move up. But we should prefer moving down and left. If it's depth first, so it doesn't fucking matter. If it was breadth first, it would matter. So I wonder if that mod thing is enough. Or if it's even correct. Like presumably there's a world where the actual solution is less than 1 rotation. Chi-Chi! Hello, hello. How you doing? Thank you for the raid. Passing it back, I guess. Colsey is full of eggs. Oh no. How you doing? Did you do today's AOC? Am I just thinking about this extremely poorly? You cast Reflect. You get +2 defense? Damn. Good physical defense. Yeah, done? Okay, then I'm probably just not thinking about this well then. Because mine is going burr forever. Yeah, I guess I just have to think about how to better manage this. Do you think Scarlet and Val will be able to use home in the future? Yeah, sure, of course. 100%. They've done this for every other game, where they just don't have home support until the end. Missed leaderboard by 5 minutes though? Oh, that's rough. That is rough. Still not quite sure about this. So let's think about this. What? I didn't change anything. What did I just change? Oh, we're popping twice. Okay. What did I just change? Oh my god. Oh no, I don't have my breakpoint. I also ungave up day 22 part 2. Nice. Discord says as long as I'm ranked less than 1k, I'm happy. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna even get that today. That is illegal. Oh. Well, how did we end up there? Two -1? That doesn't seem possible. It should be 0. Oh, because I did +1. I should have done -1. That could be why we're never reaching the end. Okay, we're in 0, -1. Cool. We're still at 0, -1. Because we did a wait. We're now at 0, 0. Okay, I'm gonna remove a breakpoint and maybe it'll just work. Because I think I was doing something impossible. God, it chugs. Woo! Thank you for the raid! Let's go! Wow, it got an answer that's not right? uh... What? I must be off by 1 somehow? No? How is that possible? Let us go, brother! Huh. Oh no. Oh no. This is not good. This is not good at all. In a variable shadowing naming issue that cost me 20 minutes? Well, I've had an off by 1 already. It cost me a bit of time. I guess let's show the, Oh, we don't actually know the path that it took. We don't actually know the path that it took. is the problem. We don't keep track of the path. But how could we get an incorrect answer from a depth first search? Unless the math is just wrong. Well, since we have the sample info working, I'm gonna reverse the strings and get rid of this -1 just because it's bothering me. Are they gonna be padded right? Yeah, it shouldn't matter. Yeah, test case passing and the test case passing and not getting the right answer is the worst. Worst case is the test case passing and the full case taking too long? Yeah. Build your own test cases? Yeah. Not sure if it's your editor's wrapping, but your input is missing a wall? Nah. It you can see there's these little continuation markers here. The goes on and on and on. Be wall gaps on the bottom of the valley? Yeah. They're here. It's just way over here. I don't like line wrapping, so I don't have line wrapping. Huh. Very strange. Well, we can breakpoint at these positions and see if the map is rendered the same. Okay, so this would be 0, 0, depth 1. If depth x, y equals 1, 0, 0. Let's look at that. How do I even show my graph? Oh, shit. Oh, I don't have any history here either. Was it in this other tab? No. Ugh. Width is 6 on this? Or 606B. And then 4 for left and right, And the numbers are backwards, so remember that. And Discord has just crashed. Am I still live? I am not still live. My internet is down. Oh, what a time for the internet to go down. That's really frustrating. Yeah, and there's YouTube cutting out. Now I should be back. Are we back, chat? Maybe? No? Sort of? Can people see me now? Hello? YouTube is back. Is Twitch back? I can't actually see chat. I don't know. Oh, there's Linge. Hello, hello. What all have I missed? Oh my god, so much of this is gone. Oh, I missed so much chat. Oh my god. You'll just have to catch up on me. You're back and you're front, they're both here. Yeah, I don't know. Also don't know why this isn't loading. There we go. So we are at time 1. And we are at this position. And so we should see in our left, we should see 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, good. In our right, we should see 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so I know those are right. Because those are unique. Ups and downs. Ups, there are zeros. Oh wait, it doesn't matter because it's reversed, but yeah. They're both zeros. Oh, downs is not. Oh, there's probably a down here. Yeah, because there was a down here. Yeah. Okay. That looks right. Problem is I don't think I'm off by 1. I'm literally outside your house right now throwing snow. Right. Yeah, I don't know why I got a cert error. That was kind of weird. It's probably my router doing stupid things. Or DNS doing stupid things. Oh, I don't fucking know. We could turn this into Dijkstra's. I don't think it changes the outcome though. But let's do it. Anyway. Import keep queue. Damn, back to a loop. Oh, you know what it is? No, that's not it. I was thinking like, oh, I don't allow it to wait on the top. But I do. I do let it wait on the top because of this. You only need dextrose if the edge weight is different? Yeah, I know. Otherwise, it's literally just the same as breadth first search. You're ever waiting multiple cycles in the same place? Potentially. They will get killed though if they are intersected with. Okay, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't know what is wrong. We're gonna try something dumb. Even though I'm pretty sure it's impossible to revisit a state. And this should just run me out of memory. Actually. I'm probably wasting a bunch of CPU on not doing depth first. Let's put it back to this. This is like Frogger, but with blizzards and elves? Yeah. The puzzle predicted the real weather, yeah. Eric is actually correct. So if we remove any of our pruning, what does this do? Oh, it takes memory a lot faster now. Prunings for landscapers, yeah. Okay, we're gonna cut this thing off. There's no reason it should take 10 gigs of RAM. Alright, let's put our pruning back in place. We move our pruning down. Didn't make a difference. Still get the same answer. Fuck. Are we allowed to scoot around the bounds, or we can only move? Cannot share position with a blizzard. Yep, of course. One way to achieve this is... magical blizzards, non-magical elves, yeah. I think that's true. but probably forever. I wonder if this is off by 1. I don't think it is. Yeah, this should not run forever because we can't ever reach that position. Okay, so in our example, our target X is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Our target Y is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's trying to get to this position. It will add 1 at the end. Seems right. So in our example, that's Y minus 1, our target. Yep. So it is going to, yeah, the bottom right corner. That looks right. I can imagine this being a level in the game Baba is You. Yeah. Baba is Blizzard. Yeah. My guess is it's I don't know though. This is breath first. It should be the first time we hit the target we're good. I don't know. And unfortunately I feel like my my bit mask thing is enough to make this so that people can't help me because I've done something crazy. Otherwise I would ask for hints. I like your bitmask idea. I do too. I thought it was very clever. I checked that on the left lane and the right lane there's no blizzard moving in the up-down direction. Made the simulation a bit easier? Stop the animation? Just ignore it. It's not an animation actually, it's actually playing the game. The real game. Left lane and right lane, there's no blizzard moving in the up-down direction. Yeah, that is specifically so that that's specifically so that a blizzard can't fall off the map. But I don't think it actually changes anything here. Possible to stay in place. Yeah, that's what this does. This stays put. So yeah, I have no idea. This feels like it should work, but it doesn't for some reason. Have you done a frame by frame diff against the example? I guess I should do that. My hobby's not specifying things that never happen. Yeah. I guess I should do that. Because I need to make a printer. Is it possible to go back off the board at the start? No, my code prevents that from happening here. Because these have to be within their bounds. The problem the problem with printing the input is like I need to just breakpoint at this particular position and ensure that it gets there and then print this. What do one left ship and left Y mean? Aren't those huge numbers? This is left shift, so for instance, 1 left shift 6 in binary is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and then a 1. So if you want the first bit, you left shift by 0. You want the second bit, you left shift by 1, etc., etc. So it's bit shifting. Okay. Bit shifty's nuts. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Okay, so I need to let's just do up downs. Left right is a lot more annoying to do. Because it's columns. Folding a column, printing a column is kind of a pain in the ass. Does handle wrapping from one edge to the other? Yeah. That's the whole reason that I did these funny tuple things. I don't think the elf can wrap. I don't think it's possible for the elf to wrap around, even though they're magical. Elves can wrap? Are you fucking kidding me? Is that the problem? Oh, RIP. Okay. RIP, yeah. You generated the maps for each depth and checked against them during breadth first search. I guess that's true. That would work. Because you know that they wrap around. I know, I said RIP, didn't I? And I meant to say RIP. That's why I said it twice, and I was like, oh, hopefully no one caught the first one. Guess I do calls equals. Oh. Okay, so then we can do. Let's start by print stating at the beginning. Just to make sure. All is not defined. Oh god, what did I do here? Oh. Should be calls I. Okay, so our initial state is Our up downs, we should have one there, none here, down here, and then ups and downs here. Cool. Left rights, we should have one there. Okay. Got that and these. Cool. We have those and those. Right. And then we should have just ones on the edges. Okay, cool. Alright, so let's find at 0, 0, minute 1 and do that. If depth xy is equal to 1, 0, 0. How's day 24 go? Yeah, it's very spinny. Very spinny. Actually, we don't care about the position, really. We just care about the blizzarding. I want to make this bitmask thing work, but I also feel like it would be easier to just generate all the boards and mod by depth and call it good. Feels a little annoying. Finish day? It's going alright, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out why shit's broken. Okay, so this is at minute 1 and we're at position here. So we should see, I don't quite know what the 3s are. But presumably because we have both left, right, and up, down there. We have no up downs here. We have 2 here because those overlap in those positions. And then we should see that, which we do. Left, rights. That matches. This matches. That matches. Okay, that looks fine. The map on each step, that's what I'm doing. This might not work since there are probably multiple valid solutions. Yeah, but my depth first should traverse the same set of solutions there. It just won't necessarily see the end states, I guess. All right, 2 at y1x0. It's painful to debug. Okay. So probably this one. Hard to say. Yeah, because that would be... Unfortunately, I don't keep track of the actual numbers here, so I'm a little bit guessing. This has that plus this. Yeah, that's probably right. Yeah, this is a little non-scientific because I don't have the full data here because I'm losing some information, but that looks right. So annoying that it works for the sample input and not the real one. I wonder if I accidentally edited the real input. Dude, fucking kill me. I've been chasing ghosts. I've 100% been chasing ghosts. I'm gonna fucking cry. That's so stupid. Oh my god. God, fucking Clownsville. He forgot his snacks at the entrance. In the same initial conditions, how quickly can you make it from this start to the goal, then back to the start, then back to the goal? His song is really annoying, so we are going to skip it. This is so stupid. I'm so dumb. How did I even do that? I don't even know. Okay. So the annoying thing about this is I'm not actually representing the start and the end as reachable positions. So I need to allow those as reachable positions. And this is where I decide the reachable positions. You can change the target once you reach the end. Well, not really. Because I have to move to the end and then move back. And the blizzards move while that happens. I need another state, like I need like a phase state. Just let me do it. I can do it. So you don't need to help me. I'm just talking out loud because I'm a streamer. Bang clear, yeah. There is actually a way for me to clear your messages. I don't remember how to do it though. Other than timing you out, and I'm not gonna do that because I already read it. So what's the point of what's the point in doing that? So first we have to allow things to move to the start or the end. We have this case, or cx cy is equal to actually let's not. If phase is equal to 3, and x equals, and xy is equal to target x target y, then we return depth. If cx, wait. What? So if we're not chilling at the start, and we do this, then we continue. Okay, and so then we can say, if phase is 3 and we're at the target, we return depth. It's gonna do this because this seems nicer. And then if phase equals 0 and xy is equal to cx, target x target y, then depth plus 1 target x target y. So we have to this. We know this is always phase 1. This is always phase 2. This is technically our end case, but you think I can just return depth here? But we're gonna do it like this. So you just reverse the number and then we're good. Oh, is the bot dead? Shit. Yeah, my bot does not handle reconnections currently. Bot should be back now. Sorry about that. I'm surprised the eggs are still going. What the fuck is taking so much CPU? That's been running for 25 minutes with not much memory. Oh, it's it's the egg hatcher. Yeah. I'm full of eggs. Okay, bot's working again. How did I possibly get something? smaller than the right answer. Print. Do I have a typo? Charge, start. Oh, these are wrong. These are all wrong. I don't know why I wrote it like that. This makes it not error prone. Sick. Damn, I can't believe that I edited the fucking input. That was so dumb of me. Why is it not done yet? Damn, that is a very long noodle, Eric. I wonder if I should prune the state space when I get to a target. Well, it is possible that you get to the target slower and then move out. We did it? Well, we're not, the answer hasn't spit out yet. I don't know that we are done. Oh, okay. We got there. It was pretty slow. But we'll call good enough. Oh, I'm an idiot sandwich. I can't believe. I can't believe. So stupid. That's so stupid of me. I'm just very disappointed. I don't even know how I did that. But I have an idea for my input downloader. At least I can finally add defeated AST and AST one time. Yeah, there you go. Did I read the stupid Easter egg today? I know what I want to do. Do I look like a theoretical physicist? Is your idea for input downloader to chmod -w? Yes, that is That is exactly what I was about to implement. Set adder. Yeah. I think it's chatter. I think it's chatter-i. To add immutable flag. What is immutable? What, it's 400? Permission denied. Alright, there we go. That is gonna cause a problem when my linter tries to fix the white space, but I think that's fine. Don't let me edit the input like an idiot. Good enough. Yeah, the nice thing about immutable, the most common use I've seen for immutable is during a security breach to make things not executable, but sequester them via chatter. But you have to do that with root. Max Technique, you said you saw that at the beginning? Thought I should tell you, but I'd let you suffer. Slash ban Max Technique. I'm kidding. I feel like that's something you're allowed to tell me without spoiling. But anyway. 140 proof alcohol? God damn, Wilfred. Alright, let's see who's still online. Time Enjoyed is still online. One stream to review them all. What? What does that mean? Alright, go say hi, be nice, etc. Throw up your Python's bungo away. Did you clip it, Max Technique? Because that would have been better. But I'm glad my bit fuckery worked out. Anyway, go say hi, and I'll see you around. Peace.